Today, we have an important update from Samsung as the company drops a brand new teaser ahead of its upcoming launch event, and it highlights a feature that could become one of the biggest talking points of the new lineup. Samsung has officially confirmed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra and the rest of the Galaxy S26 series will launch on February 25th, 2026. And now, just days before the announcement, the company is giving us a closer look at a powerful new feature called Privacy Display. In the newly released teaser, Samsung focuses on a simple but very real problem: people peeping at your phone screen in public places. Whether you're on public transport, sitting in a cafe, or waiting in a lobby, it's common for others to catch a glimpse of what's on your display. Samsung's message is clear: your phone screen should be your business. The highlight of this teaser is what Samsung calls zero peeking mode. When this feature is turned on, the phone intelligently limits the viewing angles of the display, making it nearly impossible for people sitting beside you to see your screen content. Samsung explains that this privacy display works through a smart combination of hardware and software. The display selectively hides certain pixels in a way that keeps the screen perfectly clear when viewed directly from the front, while side angles appear dark or completely black. In the teaser demonstration, we see a scenario with three people sitting next to each other in a public setting. The person in the middle is using her Galaxy S26 device, and at first, the people beside her can easily see what's on her screen. But once she activates Privacy Display, the side views immediately become obscured, ensuring only she can view the content clearly. This kind of feature could be especially useful for anyone who frequently handles sensitive information, whether it's personal messages, financial details, emails, or confidential work documents. It adds an extra layer of security without needing an external screen protector or accessory. Samsung is positioning Privacy Display as part of its broader push towards smarter, AI-enhanced privacy features under the Galaxy AI ecosystem. The company is clearly signaling that privacy will be a major theme for this generation of devices. Alongside the teaser, Samsung is also encouraging customers to reserve early, offering a $30 credit and potential savings of up to $930 during the pre-order period, which suggests the company is confident about strong demand for the new lineup. With the official launch just around the corner, this teaser gives us a strong hint that Samsung is not only focusing on performance and cameras this year, but also on real-world usability and personal security. If this feature works as smoothly as shown, Privacy Display could become one of the most practical upgrades in the Galaxy S26 series and set a new standard for smartphone privacy. We're now just days away from seeing everything officially, so stay tuned for the full announcement on February 25th. Just days before launch, a new leak reveals a tiny detail that says a lot about what Samsung is planning, and if you missed it, you might miss the biggest upgrade this year. Because this isn't just another phone, this could be Samsung quietly setting a new standard. Let's take a closer look. You can feel it, the excitement building. Every year there's hype around a new Galaxy Ultra, but this time feels different. And now, with just days to go before launch, a fresh leak has surfaced, and it's giving us a surprisingly important clue. Not about specs, not about performance, but how Samsung wants us to see this phone. A leaked image of the retail box, shared by well-known tipster Alf Turk, shows a clean, minimal design at first glance. Nothing shocking, until you notice what Samsung chose to highlight. Instead of showing the full phone silhouette, the box focuses mainly on the camera area. That's not random, that's a message. Samsung is basically telling us the camera is the heart of this device. And honestly, it makes sense, because everything we've heard so far points to massive camera upgrades, possibly the most refined camera system Samsung has ever built into an Ultra device. Even the branding placement has changed, with the name now sitting at the top of the box, giving it a fresher and more premium feel. It's subtle, but it shows Samsung is paying attention to every detail. And when you combine this with earlier promo posters, the picture becomes clearer. We're looking at 4 confirmed colors: black, white, sky blue, and cobalt violet, each giving the phone a bold yet elegant personality. And yes, the S Pen is staying, continuing that Ultra identity that power users love. But the real story is what's inside. Leaks suggest a powerful 200 megapixel main camera backed by multiple high resolution lenses that could push mobile photography even further. Add faster performance, smoother daily use, and improved battery life, and you start to see the bigger picture. This isn't just an upgrade. It feels like refinement, like Samsung is polishing every corner of the Ultra experience. And maybe that's why the excitement feels different this year. Because when a company starts focusing on details this small, it usually means something big is coming. With the official launch on February 25th getting closer, we won't have to wait much longer to see if the Galaxy S26 Ultra lives up to the hype. But if these leaks are any indication, this could be one of the most complete Ultra phones Samsung has ever made. And honestly, that's something to be excited about.